insert my mobile cellular device back in my pocket.
I can't. I can't.
Bro, what is that noise? Let's go straight to the Esplanade. What the fuck?
Go that way.
Yeah, I know. Don't get run over by a car.
Go that way. Johnson, go that way. That way, Johnson, go that way. Johnson, go that way.
Alex, go that way.
Go that way, Johnson.
Go, Alex.
Johnson, go that way. Johnson, go that way.
Oh no, the road's closed.
Wrong way, Johnson, you gotta go that way.
Absolutely not. What the hell's going on over there? Some dude doing some fucking conversation. Oh, and can you go over the hump on the way back? Like, just jump it?
Think about it.
It doesn't really matter, just try it. I'm mainly just filming you, so. Not again. It's like a sick angle.
Oh, shit. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna be really close. So just like don't stop. Oh yeah. Let's do a train. I'll follow.
In a minute.
I'll follow because I've got the GoPro.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Alex, how's that angle? Like if I'm looking like that. Just adjust it so I'm like fucking perfect. Slightly, so you can not quite see my bars.
Yeah, I reckon that's fine. I really want to go to the red
Is this guy? Yeah. Bro, these tires are so fucking nice. They're so grippy in the corners.
Like, I'm sure if I can find a ramp that feels comfy to do it on. I'm kind of waiting for you to roll past here.
Bro, what?
Like,
Oh.
I can flick it round reasonably quick.
Yeah.
And in cams and shit, in Athens, I could get it around all the way. I was gonna.
That red lynch made me. Let's
That's
drop
what I
in.
mean.
Let's drop in. I want to do a train. Come on. Not too late. Bro, I didn't know where. This kid. Yeah, look at him. He's so sick.
We'll just go grab a water bottle real quick.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't know you were gonna drop in there. And by the time you dropped in, it's too late.
I told you I was dropping in there.
Oh, well, I was fucking delusional, alright? It's my bad.
True that.
Okay, screw you then. It was your fault. What the hell are you doing? That case. Oh, how's my back tire doing? That's alright. Bro, that kid.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna go right behind you. I'm no longer right behind you. Okay, I'm right behind you now. Oh yeah. What the fuck are we doing? Can't polish your turd, that's why you're so ugly. No, I'm kidding. Nothing.
Can't what?
You can't polish your turd, that's why you're so ugly.
Wow. What did you say? I'm actually
Slightly offended.
Asian turd. Can we watch it?
Nah, I'm gonna do another lap. Hell no.
Jump out of the ball.
Wait, whiplash?
Put all my tools back in my bag.
Yeah, I did. No, I just left him on the ground at the skate park.
Wouldn't surprise me, honestly.
Bro,
Yeah.
I'm not that shit, come on.
Yeah.
Donkey, that's your tap.
Alright. Oh, you can't even hold it on for me.
Oh, it's great. I just had a great idea.
What is your... Oh.
Yeah, I've seen that before and I've been like, nah. He's not.
Hey, you wanna watch the Oleopter?
What, the hospital one, and it's gonna have a bunch of cripples inside. Come on, let's go. I just filmed myself drink water. Oh yeah. Come on, Cisco. And let's try not to get hit by a car.
She won't try.
I thought we'd just bring them up the stairs and or something. Bring them up the stairs a little bit or something.
Alright.
Yeah. So, bye.